Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to mark a reminder as done. Now let's get started. First, open your Google Calendar apps and then click or tap the reminder that you want to mark as done. So you just click on it, and then in here at the bottom you can click on mark as done, and after this like this. When you mark a reminder as done, it appears crossed out on your calendar. You can mark a reminder as done in two ways. So I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy video content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.